Hello hearts, welcome to my video. Today we are going to play in the rain. Make sure you like, comment, share and sub. Playing in the rain is so fun, it makes me feel like a kid.
Mom, can I jump on the puddle you are jumping on right now?
Of course.
It is so fun jumping in puddles.
Oh my days, the wing is trying to blow me away.
Finally it stopped.
Do you guys want to jump on puddles? Come on Lucy, it is fun.
No, and no, I hate rain. Fine.
It is so cold.
I guess you have to get used to it, Lucy. I guess I will get my umbrella. I think the umbrella is lifting me up, help. Phew, luckily I got down.
This is boring.
I forgot my coat.
Lucy, can we do a handshake?
Sure. That handshake was fun to do.
Hope you enjoyed the video hearts. Sorry for a really short video. I will try to make it longer next time. Bye.